Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Our next chapter is money. Okay, our next chapter is money. So, the third chapter is money. What is money? We need money to buy anything. We need money to buy anything. Okay. So, in India, money is counted in rupees and paise. In India, the money is counted in rupees and paise. Rupees is represented like this and paise represented P. Okay, rupees is represented by this and paise is represented by P. Okay, is it clear? So in page number 56 you can see different kinds of Indian notes. Page number 56 I will show you. Here you can see different Indian notes such as 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50, 100 rupees, 200, 500, 2000 rupees. These are the Indian notes. And you have seen different kinds of notes. Am I right? Okay. So, and also in 57 you can see some coins also. 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees, 5 and 10 rupees. I think everybody is seen all these notes and coins. Okay, so this is the chapter we studied about the money. Okay, so in 57 the exercise 1 you can see, write the value of each note in the box. Write the value of each note in the box. So here the first one is exercise 1. Exercise 1. First is 5 rupees. So we write like rupees 5. Okay, 5 rupees. Next is, second one is 10 rupees. And third is 20 rupees. And fourth one is 50 rupees. And fifth one is 100 rupees. And sixth one is 500 rupees. So the exercise 1 is about 57. Write the value of each note in the box. So there are 6 notes. First one is 5. So you write rupees 5 here. Next is 10 rupees. Next 20 rupees, then 50 rupees, 100 and 500 rupees. So you write the values of each note in the box. Okay, this is about the first. Our first part is in money is write the value of each note in the box. Okay, and take your page number 58. Take the page number 58. Okay, here exchange of money. Exchange of money. And this is exchange of money. Okay, this is exchange of money. Here First you can see a 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees, you see the 5 rupees coins? Everybody is seen. So here 5 rupees coin is the same as 5 1 rupees. 5 rupees coin is same as 5 1 rupees. ₹5 same as 5 1 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees same as 5 1 rupees. Okay, second one there is a 10 rupees note. Okay, and 10 rupees note is same as 2 5 rupees coins. Okay. Okay, so 10 rupees is same as 2 5 rupees. Okay, so page number 58, exchange of money. You can see here the 5 rupees coin is same as 5 1 rupees coins, and second is 1 10 rupees coin is same as 2 5 rupees, and third one is 100 rupees. Okay. ₹100. Okay, here 100 rupees is same as 250 rupees. So 100 rupees means 250 rupees. You can see this picture. 100 rupees, 100 rupees same as 250 rupees. Is it clear? So this is the exchange of money. That means here there are 3 items, that is 5 rupees is same as 5 1 rupees. 5 rupees same as 5 1 rupees, and also second one is 1 10 rupees. 1 10 rupees is same as 2 5 rupees, and third one is 100 rupees is same as 250 rupees. 100 rupees same as 250 rupees. Is it clear? Okay. Exercise 2, fill in the box with the correct number. Exercise 2 is fill in the boxes with correct numbers. I will write the question. A 2 rupees coin is the same as dash 1 rupees. A 2 rupees rupee coin is same as the a 2 rupee coin is same as the dash 1 rupees. Dash 1 rupees. Dash 1 rupee coins. And second one is a 20 rupee note is the same as dash 10 rupees note. Dash 10 rupees notes. A 20 rupee note is same. This is your questions. First one is a 2 rupees coin is same as dash 1 rupee. How many 1 rupees make 2? How many 1? Yes, 2 1 rupee coin. Answer is 2 1 rupee coins same as 1 2 rupees coins. Is it clear? Next is a 20 rupee note is the same as dash 10 rupees notes. How many 10 makes 20? Yes, 2 10 rupees. So 2 10 makes 20. Okay, here's the answer. So 58, you can see exercise 2. This is a 2 rupee coin is same as dash 1 rupee coins, that means 2 1 rupee coins. Second one, a 20 rupee note is same as dash 10 rupees note. Sorry, here 2 10 rupees notes. It's my mistake. Okay, 2 10 rupee notes. Okay, is it clear? Okay. So money is very important in our life. We cannot buy anything without money. We have to buy anything by using money. Okay. So our next one is addition of rupees. Our next is addition of rupees. Addition of rupees. We add and subtract rupees in usual method. First question is addition of rupees. Add so here this is the symbol of rupees. We write rupees before the money. So we can read this 25 rupees and 25. So add 25 rupees and 25 rupees. We get the answer. So first we add 25 plus 25. So 5 plus 5 is 10. We write only 0 here, carry 1 here. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. So we get the answer. So don't forget to write the rupees before the answer. So the answer is 50 rupees. Answer is 50 rupees. Okay. Next is page number 59. There are 6 questions are there. Can see there is a picture of a bag. How much money is there in each bag? Add, write the answer. First one is so first we add here 0 plus 1. We already learned when a number is added to 0, the number. When 0 is added to 0, yes, answer is 0. 5 plus 1, 60. So the answer is 60 rupees. We can read this as 60 rupees. Okay. We can add any rupees like this way, like rupees 100, rupees 50. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 150 rupees. Don't forget to write the rupees before the answer, before the money. Okay. So this is 150 rupees. Okay. One more example. Zero plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 350 rupees. 350 rupees. Okay. So this is the addition of rupees. So page number 59, there are 6 questions. How much money is there in each bag? So you have to find out money in each bag and write the answer in that box. Okay. Okay. So next is B exercise. Exercise 3B question. Here are some toys with the price tag. Okay. So first one, the ball cost rupees 18, the teddy bear cost 15, and the helicopter cost 42, and the car cost 65, and the doll cost 32. So here are some problems. First you write here, write the price. First, teddy bear. Teddy bear rupees 15 rupees. Okay. Helicopter 42. Next is ball cost 18. Next, car cost 65. Car cost 65. Doll cost rupees 32. So this is the price tag of this toys. Okay, this is the price tag of toys. So first question is, a ball costs 18, a car costs 65. Total cost. Add and find the total cost. Add and find the total cost. Total cost. Add and find the total cost. Okay. So first, a ball cost how much rupees? A ball 65 rupees. Next one is a car cost. Car cost how much rupees? 65. A ball cost 65, sorry, ball cost 18. A car cost 65. Now we have to find out total cost. Total cost. First, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 13. And carry 1 here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the total cost of ball and car. Okay. This is the total cost of ball and car. Like this we can add the prices of each toys given. Okay. Next one is a helicopter cost. How much rupees helicopter? Yes, it is 42. Next is teddy bear cost. Teddy bear cost how much rupees? Yes, 15 rupees. Now find out the total. Total cost. So 5 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 57. So we can find out any cost by adding this number. Okay. And third, there is a question, one doll cost and one ball cost. First you write the prices of the doll and the ball, then add the numbers, add the rupees. Okay. And also we can subtract the rupees. We can subtract the rupees, like example, here we have to subtract it. So 5 minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 5, so we borrow 1 from here, so the 5 become 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6. We already studied the subtraction. Here 7 minus 4, it is 3, so 36. So we can subtract, add, also we can subtract the money. Okay. So here we have some problems based on the subtraction of rupees. Okay. How much will I get back? How much will I get back? How much will I get back? Okay. And the question is, I give rupees 20 and I buy one ball, I will get back. So first I give. Question is, I give how much rupees? I give, yes, rupees 20. 20 rupees. I gave 20 rupees. Next, I buy one ball. I buy one ball. I buy one ball. That means $18. So subtract the answer I will get back. I will get back. So subtract 18 from 20. So 20 minus 18. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we borrow 1 from here. So become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 1. So the answer is 2. Okay. So the answer is 2. One more question we can solve based on this subtraction. I gave 50 rupees. I gave how much rupees? Yes, 50 rupees. 50 rupees. I gave 50 rupees. I buy one helicopter. Helicopter. What is the price of helicopter? Is 42. So I will get back. I will get back. I will get back. That means 50 minus 42. Okay. So here we cannot subtract 2 from 0. See, borrow 1 from here. So 10. 10 minus 2 is here 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So I will get back rupees 8. I will get back 8 rupees. So there are one more problem in exercise 3, the page number 60B questions. You have to complete from your home. Okay. Okay, our next topic is addition of rupees and paise. We already learned the Indian notes are counted in rupees and paise. 100 rupees, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. Okay, so here addition of rupees and paise and subtraction of rupees and paise. Our first topic is addition of rupees and paise. Addition of rupees and paise. Okay, addition of rupees and paise. So question is, add 25 rupees (45 paise) and 32 rupees (25 paise). So this is your question. Add 25 rupees 45 paise and 32 rupees 24 paise. How to add this number? Yes, first we write 25 rupees 45 paise 32 rupees 25 paise. Okay, so here first we add the columns, paise column, add the paise column first. 5 plus 5 is 10, 5 plus 5 10, we carry 1 here, and 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 70 paise. Okay, 70 paise. Next 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 2 5, 57 rupees. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, 57 rupees 70 paise is the answer. So addition of rupees and paise means first you add the paise column first, then the rupees column. Is it clear? One more example. 28 rupees 35 paise 16 rupees 55 paise. ₹28 35 paise, 16 rupees 55 paise. So first we add the paise column. So 5 plus 5 is 10, carried 1 here. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 90 paise. Next the rupees column. 8 plus 6 6, 14. Carry 1 here, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 44 rupees. So this is the addition of rupees and paise. Okay, is it clear? One more example. ₹42, 42 rupees and 35 paise. So first we add the paise column. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 3 plus 3 6, 65 paise. Okay, next is 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 62 rupees. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, our last topic is subtraction of rupees. Subtraction of rupees and paise. ₹64, 64 rupees, 75 paise, next 43 rupees, 60 paise. Okay, so the first step is subtract the paise column. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1, so 15 paise. Next is rupees column. 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, 21 rupees. Okay, so this is the subtraction of rupees and paise. Next is 81 rupees, 60 paise, 43 rupees, 50 paise. Okay, so here first step is we subtract the paise column. So 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 10 paise. And 1 minus 3 we cannot subtract 3 from 1, so we borrow 1 from here, become 8, 11. So 11 minus 3 is 8, here 7. 11 minus 3 is 8 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, you understood? So this is the subtraction of rupees and paise. So page number exercise 5, 61 and 62, 3 problems are there, you have to complete from your home. Okay, so this is about our topic. Today we are learn about the money. Money is We cannot buy anything without money. We can buy things by using money. There are different kinds of notes are there: 5, 10, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1000, 2000 rupees, like that. I think you familiar with all these notes. And second, we are studied about the rupees. The Indian notes are represented, counted in rupees and notes. Okay, rupees and paise. So first you studied about the addition of rupees, subtraction of rupees. Then the last we are studied about the addition and subtraction of the rupees and paise. Okay. So I think you had understood all the topics that we are learning today, and this is the time of winding up our class. Okay. Thank you so much.